Welcome to Upsalvers, how to create private repository on GitHub. In the past, GitHub only allowed free users to create public repositories, which meant anyone could see what you were working on. However, GitHub changed its policies to allow free users to also create private repositories. As you can see, free plan offers private repositories. This means you can have repositories where you control who can see and contribute to your projects, keeping your work private if you choose. This change made GitHub more accessible for individual developers, small teams, and projects that are not ready to be shared publicly. As you can see, free plan offers unlimited private repositories and unlimited public repositories. So from a free GitHub account, go to repositories, your repositories, click new, give it a name, select private, and create the repository. And that's it. You see this lock in front of repository name? It means that it's private repository. It's only for me. And if we see this repository in incognito, it will not be available for everyone. So this is how you can create a private repository on GitHub as a free user. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.